Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And welcome to our 12 days of Christmas treats.
We're going to be sharing a different treat every day for 12 days. And with each of those treats, you'll be able to find them typed or linked down in the description.
All right, let's get to it.
Okay, for the start of this recipe, we needed pretzel sticks. It said you can break them into 1-inch pieces. But I'm going to leave them like this because it said that or the nibblers, and I know those are a lot thicker. So I think it'll be okay for them to be this size. So I'm not going to worry with breaking them. Okay. So we've got that in a mixing bowl. And in a small bowl, we're going to combine 1 packet of the ranch seasoning mix. If you've watched our channel before, you know that we make it at home. That's why it's not in a packet. We will link in the description and the eye in the sky the recipe to how to make your own homemade dressing mix. 1, 2, 3 tablespoons is all you need for 1 packet of ranch. 3/4 of a cup of, I'm using olive oil. You can use olive oil, grapeseed, canola, just anything that doesn't have a strong taste. We're going to have 2 teaspoons of dried dill. Two teaspoons of garlic powder. And then we're going to add, it says 1 to 2 teaspoons of hot sauce. Just whisk that together until it's mixed well. Pretzels back here. We're going to pour that over it. We take our tongs and we're going to toss these around, make sure we get them nice and coated. Okay, so our ranch pretzels are done, and we were thinking it looked good in these little bags as well. I think we got, how many was it? 20 bags for $1.98 at Walmart, so not too bad. And besides this one tray that you're seeing, we have 2 more trays over on the stove that we will be including in this as well. Okay, so what you think? Like that, and then you put a little red bow or, you know, white, something like that. And that would be 1 gift. So, how many do we think we'd get out of that? 7. Then we got a couple of
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, about 17 or 18 probably.
About 17 or 18,
Yep.
We're guessing. Let's just say 16 to be on the conservative side. So we're going to say on the screen right now what the total would be of what this cost us, all in, and also 16 gifts and how much you would expect to spend on each gift.
So thanks for joining us for the 12 days of Christmas treats. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more content from us. Don't forget to comment below and tell us what Christmas treats you're doing, or if you tried one of our recipes, let us know how it went in the comments. So for the Long Run with Joel and Christy, I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And don't forget it's a long run. Give yourself a little grace.
Bye.